Hey everybody, welcome to Life with Sunny Lee. And it's been another busy week. We started out Saturday from 8:30 in the morning until 8:30 at night, putting the cover over the new greenhouse. Sunday, my oldest son went back, and middle son went back to his apartment after visiting for a week. So we went to the grocery store and stocked up on everything that we used the week before. And Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday we worked on the greenhouse, putting in the doors, and had to run town a couple times to get more screws and stuff to put those doors in. So we got the doors in, and now we've got to do the inside. But we're not going to be doing that today because it is giving us some much needed rain. I also got busy and pulled all the weeds in the low greenhouse. And of course you had to water. It's been hot. Today's a nice cool day, but it's been hot throughout most of the week. Okay, I got the inside of the greenhouse completely weeded, and I planted this north side. I planted some zucchinis and some cabbages and some yellow squash in this area. As you can see, the rest of the plants are coming along nicely. Peas are growing nicely. The turnips are almost ready to start harvesting, and we are eating off of the lettuce. And the spinach got super hot the other day, and it started to boat, so it's probably pretty much ready to, some of these are ready to be pulled. The beets are coming along nicely, and so is the kale. And then on Thursday we took the day off and met with family, and we enjoyed a day at Rasco's Fun Zone in Whiteland.
I'll go up there and hug you.
Y'all hit first.
I would play it.
He's cheating, he's going off the course. I protest. Except me, I can do that if I want to.
We'll see what we can.
I'd like to carry 45 and fit.
Who's next?
How did she get? What'd she get? 3.
Do what?
Marilyn get 3.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Nice shot, Sean.
Oh my gosh. Looks good. Three. Good.
Okay.
You're up. I'm up. Probably. And that was a great day. And today on Friday, it's raining, so I'm just gonna take it easy. As you can hear, the rain is coming down. So we went to the movies and we saw, let's see, what was it, Ringfield? It's about the vampire movie with Nicolas Cage in it. Not a bad movie. It's okay. It's got a good moral to it. Anyway, we did that and we ate at Johnny Carino's. Prices have really gone up there, but the food was very good. And also this week, I noticed that the guys were working on the fields. They put the fertilizer down, so they're getting ready to start planting. So that'll be a good. And the irises are just about ready to start blooming. They're got their nice little buds going. So things are starting to warm up around here, and we're getting things done. So hope you had a good week, and remember, dream big, follow that dream. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.